Hello students, here we come to discuss how to identify oxidant and reductant in the following reaction. In this given reaction, how to identify oxidant and reductant? First we know about the oxidation number of the following atoms. We already discussed how to find out the oxidation number. Yes, so come first we write the oxidation number. You already know about it. The oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. आप पहले से जानते हैं कि हाइड्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +1 होता है. एंड इन केस ऑफ ऑक्साइड फॉर्म ऑफ ऑक्सीजन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज -2. ऑक्साइड के केस में ऑक्सीजन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -2 होता है. सो अब हमें फाइंड आउट किसका करना है. दैट मीन्स हियर वी फाइंड आउट द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सल्फर. सो यहाँ पे हम सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. किसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर? सल्फर का. सो इसका +1 है. 1 × 2 2 एंड 2 × 3 6. ऑक्सीजन का माइनस में है तो -6 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे. 6 - 2 4. सो हेयर द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सल्फर इज +4. ओके, हैव यू नो इट? नाउ हेयर द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज +1. अगेन द +1. And the oxidation number of sulfur is -2. Oxidation number of sulfur is -2. Here the oxidation number of sulfur is 0. Why is it 0? Because it exists as a element. Okay. In case of S, the oxidation number of sulfur is 0. Okay. So what do you observe here? What do you observe? So हमने यहाँ पे क्या ऑब्जर्व किया कि जो सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर था +4 से 0 हो रहा है. इफ द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर वेरी फ्रॉम +4 to 0, दैट मीन्स टू से द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीजेस. यू ऑलरेडी ऑब्जर्व्ड इट. व्हेन इट चेंज फ्रॉम +4 to 0, सो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज डिक्रीजेस. ओके, इफ द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीजेस, सो विच रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस? इफ द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर decreases, at that case the reaction is reduction. Reduction reaction is taking place. Okay, so here the reaction is reduction. Okay, now in case of H2S the oxidation number vary from -2 to 0. So what do you observe? If it is vary from -2 to 0, change from -2 to 0, that means oxidation number increases. If the oxidation number increases, the oxidation reaction is taking place. अगर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीज करता है तो रिएक्शन हमारी ऑक्सीडेशन होती है. अगर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीज करता है तो रिएक्शन रिडक्शन होती है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे -2 से 0, सो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या कर रहा था? इंक्रीज कर रहा था. तो ये रिएक्शन कौन सी हो गई? ऑक्सीडेशन. रिएक्शन आपकी हो गई ऑक्सीडेशन. जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो कहलाता है रिडक्टेंट. जिन एलिमेंट्स कंपाउंड्स का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा होता है वो हमारे कहलाते हैं रिडक्टेंट, और जिनका रिडक्शन होता है वो कहलाते हैं ऑक्सीडेंट. सो यहाँ पे H2SO3 का क्या हो रहा है? रिडक्शन. सो ये हमारे क्या हो गए? ऑक्सीडेंट. तो हमारा ऑक्सीडेंट क्या हो गया? H2SO3. बस अब बचा क्या? H2S, जहाँ पे सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -2 से 0 हो रहा था. जब ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -2 से 0 हो रहा था, इंक्रीज कर रहा था, रिएक्शन क्या हो रही थी? ऑक्सीडेशन. और जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो हमारा क्या कहलाता है? रिडक्टेंट, और वी कैन से दैट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. सो H2S इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. H2S is a reducing agent. Now we discuss another reaction. When H2S react with Cl2 to form 2HCl and S. Here the oxidation number of sulfur is -2. Okay, यहाँ पे सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -2 है. And in case of Cl2 the oxidation number of chlorine is 0. Why is this 0? Because here the chlorine exists as a molecule. In molecular form, in case of molecular form, the oxidation number of any element is 0. अगर कोई भी एलिमेंट मॉलिकुलर फॉर्म में होगा तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑलवेज भी 0, हमेशा 0 होगा। यहाँ पे क्लोरीन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना है, -1, और यहाँ पे सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर है 0। ओके, सो सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -2 से 0 हो रहा है। द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सल्फर वेरी फ्रॉम -2 to 0, चेंज फ्रॉम -2 to 0. So which reaction is taking place? If is it vary from -2 to 0, -2 से 0 हो रहा है तो रिएक्शन क्या कर रही है, इंक्रीज कर रही है। और अगर रिएक्शन इंक्रीज करती है तो विच रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, ऑक्सीडेशन। तब रिएक्शन वहाँ पे हमारी होती है ऑक्सीडेशन। ओके, तब रिएक्शन कौन सी होगी, ऑक्सीडेशन। बात समझ में आई। और अगर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीज करता है तो रिएक्शन हमारी कौन सी होती है, रिडक्शन। तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या कर रहा है, डिक्रीज कर रहा है, 0 to -1, 0 to -1। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, रिडक्शन। पहले भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि जिनका रिडक्शन होता है वो ऑक्सीडेंट कहलाते हैं और जिनका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो हमारे रिडक्शन कहलाते हैं। ओके, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट definition of oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent also known as oxidant. The substance which is reduced in the redox reaction is called oxidizing agent. The substance which is reduced in the redox reaction is called oxidizing agent, and oxidizing agent also known as oxidant. So here the Cl2 is a oxidant and H2S is a reductant. H2S is a reductant. Okay, now we discuss another reaction. Here the oxidation number of Cu2 plus is also 2 plus. Here also write the oxidation number. So oxidation number of copper is 2 plus. Here the oxidation number of iodine is -1. Here also the oxidation number of iodine is -1, but the oxidation number of copper is +1. Oxidation number of copper is +1 and the oxidation number of iodine is 0. Okay, here the oxidation number of iodine is -1 and the oxidation number of copper is +2. In case of copper, the oxidation number decreases because it changes from +2 to +1. In case of copper, the oxidation number decreases. It changes from +2 to +1. If it changes from +2 to +1, which reaction takes place? Which reaction takes place? Reaction is reduction. So reduction reaction is taking place if the oxidation number decreases. Which reaction? Reduction reaction. Okay, and if the oxidation number changes from -1 to 0, that means it will be increases. If it will be increases, if the oxidation number increases, the oxidation reaction is taking place. Reaction is oxidation. Reaction is oxidation. And we already know about it. The substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidizing agent. So this one is a oxidizing agent, and we also say that oxidant. And the substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reducing agent or a reductant. So here the I- is a reductant. Okay, now we discuss one more example. Now here the oxidation number of Mg is 0, and in case of N2 oxidation number is also 0 because it is a molecular form of nitrogen. Here oxidation number of Mg is 2 and the oxidation number of nitrogen is -3. Okay, so what do you observe? The oxidation number in case of magnesium changes from 0 to +2. 0 to +2, that means it will be increases. If it will be increases, if the oxidation number increases, then the oxidation reaction is taking place. In case of magnesium, oxidation reaction is taking place. So reaction is oxidation. Okay, now in case of nitrogen, the oxidation number is decreases. Or if the oxidation number decreases, so the reduction reaction is taking place. Reduction reaction is taking place because it vary from 0 to -3. 0 to -3, that means it will be decreases. So reduction reaction is taking place. Which reaction? Reduction reaction. Okay, we already know about it. The substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidizing agent. So here the N2 is a oxidizing agent or oxidant. Now, and in case of magnesium, what do you observe? The oxidation number increases. As the oxidation number increases, oxidation reaction taking place. And we already know the substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reducing agent. So here the Mg is a reducing agent. Okay, Mg is a reducing agent. Now we take one more example. In case of when CuSO4 react with Ki, potassium iodide, copper sulfate react with potassium iodide. So here the oxidation number of copper is +2. Okay, and the oxidation number of iodine is -1. Okay, now here the oxidation number of copper is +1 and the oxidation number of I2 is 0 because it exists as a molecule. Okay, and there is no changes here. Oxidation number of potassium is always 1 and the oxidation number of sulfate is minus. What you observe? Oxidation number of copper change from 2 to +1. That means it will be decreases as the oxidation number decreases from +2 to +1. So the reaction is reduction. So reduction reaction is taking place. This reaction is a reduction reaction. And we already know about it. The substance which is reduced in a redox reaction and the substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidizing agent. That means CuSO4 is an oxidizing agent and we can also say that oxidant. And here the oxidation number of iodine is changed from -1 to 0. That means it is increases. The oxidation number increases in case of iodine. So the oxidation reaction is taking place. As the oxidation reaction is taking place, and we already know the substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reducing agent. So here the potassium iodide is a reducing agent. Ki is a reducing agent. Okay, is it clear? Now again we take one more example. The oxidation number of Cl2 is 0 because it exists as a molecule. So here the oxidation number of Cl2 is 0. Now in case of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2 is a hydrogen peroxide, and we already know In case of peroxide form, the oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Oxidation number of oxygen is -1. And here the oxidation number of chlorine is also -1. And the oxidation number of O2 is 0. Yes, so what you observe? The oxidation number of chlorine change from 0 to -1. 0 to -1, as it changed from 0 to -1. So what do you observe? Oxidation number decreases. As the oxidation number decreases, reduction reaction is taking place. Which reaction takes place? Reduction reaction takes place. And you know, the substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidant. Here the Cl2 reduced. So Cl2 is a oxidant, or we can say that oxidizing agent. Now, in case of oxygen, the oxidation number changed from -1 to 0. As it changed from -1 to 0, that means oxidation number increases. As the oxidation number increases, oxidation reaction takes place. Okay, and the substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reductant. Is called reductant. The substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reductant. So here the H2O2 is a reductant, or we can say that reducing agent. Okay, now we discuss one more example. Here the oxidation number of Sn is +2 and the oxidation number of Fe is +3. Okay, and oxidation number of Sn, here the oxidation number of Sn is +4 and the oxidation number of Fe is +2. यहाँ पे Sn का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना है? +2. Fe का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +3 एंड Sn का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +4 एंड Fe का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +2. So what you observe? We observe the oxidation number of Sn change from +2 to +4. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या कर रहा है? +2 से +4 हो रहा है. इसका मतलब वैल्यू इंक्रीज कर रही है. एंड एज द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीजेज, सो ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. Which reaction takes place? Oxidation reaction takes place. Oxidation reaction takes place. And if the oxidation number decreases, you observe that oxidation number change from +3 to +2 in case of iron. +3 to +2. That means oxidation number decreases. As the oxidation number decreases, reduction reaction takes place. Which reaction? Reduction reaction takes place. Okay, now you know the substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reductant. So SnCl2 is a reductant, and those substance which reduce in a redox reaction is called oxidant. So here FeCl3 is a oxidant. Okay, now one more example. Here the oxidation number of hydrogen is -1. Okay, this is a sodium hydride. So here the oxidation number of hydrogen is -1, and here the oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. In case of H2O2, the oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Now here the oxidation number of hydrogen is 0, because here the hydrogen present as a molecule. If is it present as a molecule, the oxidation number is 0. Now, what you observe? The oxidation number change from -1 to 0. If it change from -1 to 0, that means oxidation number increases. As the oxidation increases, oxidation reaction takes place. Oxidation reaction takes place. Okay. And you already know those substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reductant. So sodium hydride NaH is a reductant. And if oxidation number decreases, if the oxidation number decreases, then the reduction reaction takes place. Reduction reaction takes place. Okay. And the substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidant. So here the H2S act as a oxidant. Okay. Now we take last example. Here the H2O2 react with O3. In case of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, the oxidation number of